Hello, everyone. Thank you for choosing High Octane Trades. I'm going to go through the step-by-step process of how to add the market GPS indicators to the TradingView charts. So let's go. The first thing that you want to do after you sign up for TradingView and Market GPS, when you first log in, you're going to see the standard TradingView layout with the standard candles and the volume bars. So the first thing that we want to do is, if you notice here on the top left side, you're going to see the volume indicator. This is where all the indicators are going to show up. So what we want to do is hover over that indicator and click the remove, and that's just going to leave you with the candles. The second thing that you want to do is hit the indicator button that's at the top highlighted. This is where all the indicators is going to be. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then the next thing that you want to do is you're going to want to click where it says invite only. I want to click on each indicator just once to get each one on the chart. So I'm going to click on the AI core, the alerts, the order flow, the RSI, support and resistance, trend candles, trend prediction, and the waves. Just click it once. That way only one indicator shows up on the chart for each one. So now we have all the indicators, and what we need to do here is change the view a little bit so that it all shows up how it should properly see. All of these indicators work as a as an ecosystem, and so it's very important that they're all visually lined up correctly. So what I want to do is I want to change where the trend candles are. If we look here, the trend candles are very close to where our standard candles are. And I want to overlay the trend candles over the RSI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click where the indicators are, hover over the trend candles, and where the three dots are, I'm going to click that. Then I want to move it to the new pane. So now the trend candles are in its own pane. And I want to go to the right side, make sure that the auto is clicked. So the next step and the last step for this is going to be to move the trend candle overlay over the RSI. So what I want to do is I want to click on the three dots where the trend candles are and move it to existing pane below. So now we have all of our indicators here, and we need to just clean up the view a little bit. So what we're going to do is just click where it has the hide indicators and make sure you do save that layout so that when you open it up again, it shows up. And this is the proper view for the market GPS ecosystem. If for whatever reason an indicator gets messed up and the view gets messed up, you can always delete that indicator and add it back. If, for example, when the indicator gets deleted on accident, it's not a problem. Just go back to indicator and identify the one that's deleted and just add it back to your chart. They're automatically set up so that the view is properly set up when you add the indicator to the chart. The key is that the trend candles, when you add them to the chart, the trend candles are going to always add to the main pane. So this is why we need to move the trend candles to its own pane and then to the pane where the RSI is for the overlay.